Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn about association rule. Association rule. Finding interesting association and relationship among large set of data items. This rule shows how frequently an item set occur in a transaction. And typical example is market basket analysis. Market basket analysis is one of the key techniques used by large relation to show association between items. It allows retailers to identify relationship between the items that people buy together frequently. Given a set of transactions, we can find rules that will predict the occurrence of an item based on the occurrence of other items in the transaction. It is very useful in analyzing data set. The data is collected using barcode scanner in supermarket. Such database consists of large number of transaction records which list all items bought by a customer on a single purchase. Association rules are if-then statement that help to show the probability of relationship between data items within large data set in various types of database. Association rule mining has a number of applications and widely used to help discover sales correlation in transactional data or in medical data set. Association rule involves the use of machine learning model to analyze data for patterns or co-occurrence in a database. It identifies frequent if-then association, which are called association rule. Association rule has two parts, antecedent and consequent. Antecedent means if and consequent means then. Antecedent is an item found within the data and consequent is an item found in combination with the antecedent. Association rules are created by searching data for frequent if-then patterns and using the criteria support and confidence to identify the most important relationship. Support is an indication of how frequently the item appear in the data. Confidence indicates the number of times the if-then statement are found true. Association rule are if-then statements that are meant to find frequent pattern, correlation, association data set present in a relational database or other data repository. In data mining, association rules are useful for analyzing and predicting customer behavior. Weka contains an implementation of a priori algorithm for learning association rule. Here open Explorer. Open file. Program files, Weka. Data. Open supermarket.arff file. The a priori algorithm is one such algorithm in ML that find out the probable association and create association rule. Associate a priori. Weka provides the implementation of the a priori algorithm. you can define the minimum support and an acceptable confidence level while computing these rules. You will apply the a priori algorithm to the supermarket data provided in the Weka installation. In this first, open the Preprocess tab, click Open File button and select supermarket.arff database. After the data is loaded, you will see the following screen. In this, the database contains 4627 instances and 217 attributes. You can easily understand how difficult it would be to detect the association between such a large number of attributes. Fortunately, this task is automated with the help of a priori algorithm. Click on the Associate tab and click on the Choose button. Select the a priori association as shown in the screenshot. To set the parameters for the a priori algorithm that allow you to set the parameters, after you set the parameters, click the Start button. After a while, you will see the result as shown in the screenshot. In this, the relation is supermarket. It consists of 4627 instances, 217 attributes, minimum support is 0.15, confidence 0.9 and the number of cycle performed 17. These are the generated set of large item set. At the bottom, you will find the detected best rule for association. This will help the supermarket in stocking their product in appropriate shelves.